Welcome to Cassie's Little Library, where we read and dream together. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Let's jump in. Little Footprints, written and illustrated by Cassie Young. My little boy takes tiny steps, one foot, then another, wobble, wiggle, tumble. But always I smile, up you go again. Outside, his toes touch soft grass. He toddles, he teeters, he topples onto waiting arms. Love lifts him higher every time. At the edge of the shore, his feet press into the sand, a trail of tiny footprints, side by side with mine. Two sets together, safe, steady, loved. But when the path feels rough, when the day feels long, his steps grow heavy, and then just one set of footprints, because I carry him. And when my own heart grows tired, I remember the promise, the Lord your God carries you, as a father carries his son. Step by step, my little boy learns to walk, and step by step, I learn to trust. We are never alone. Thank you for reading with me today at Cassie's Little Library. If you like that story, you can purchase it on Amazon with the link in the description. See you next time.